Hello, my name is Sarah, and I am one of the teachers at the Inspire Academy. Welcome to Beginner English. We are now going to start Unit 2. Unit 2 is about communication, about communicating with other people. We're going to learn today about introducing yourself, greeting others, expressing emotions, directions, nature, landscapes, and places in the city. Here is an example of what you might say if you were meeting people. A group of colleagues are meeting a new person in their office. The new person enters the office and the manager says, "Hello, my name is Stan. Welcome to our office." And the person who has come to visit says, "Hello, I am Anna. I'm pleased to meet you." Then the boss says, or the manager says, "This is Camille and Adam. They will be working with you today." Then Anna says, "I'm pleased to meet you." Expressing emotions. Emotions are about how you feel. So somebody might ask you, "How do you feel? How are you feeling?" You might say, "I feel sad." You might say, "I feel happy." Or you might say, "I feel excited." So here is an example. My name is Marie. That is the girl who is carrying the cell phone in the picture. My name is Marie. I feel sad when I lose my phone. I feel happy when I find my phone. I feel excited to call and text my friends. Somebody might ask you, "How are you?" Sometimes when we meet people, we say hello and then we say, "How are you?" You might think about how you are feeling and think, "Well, today I am thankful." So somebody might ask you, "How are you?" And you might respond, "Today I am thankful." And then you might ask, "And how are you doing?" Read and answer these questions. How does Marie feel when she loses her phone? Happy, sad, or excited? How does Marie feel when she finds her phone? Happy, sad, or excited? How does Marie feel when she talks to and texts her friends? Happy, sad, or excited? And here are the answers. Marie feels sad when she loses her phone. Marie feels happy when she finds her phone. Marie feels excited when she texts her friends and calls her friends. Now let's move on to directions. The directions are north, south, east, and west. North, south, west, and east. You can also give directions by saying turn left or turn right. Let's have an example. You're lost. Say, for example, you're lost in a city that you don't know much about. You're in a new city and you're trying to find your way around. You might say, "Excuse me, do you know how Do you know the directions to the Palace Hotel? And then the person who you're talking to is carrying a iPad. And that person might say, "Yes, I do. The Palace Hotel is on Main Street. Walk straight down this road, turn right at the light, turn left on Main Street, and then you will arrive there in 10 minutes." Let's do another example. How do I get from Denver to Burlington? Denver is a city in the state of Colorado in the USA. Denver is located in an area where there are lots of mountains. A tourist wants to know how to get from Denver to Burlington. Choose the right answer. Go east on Highway 70, or go south on Highway 69, or go west on Highway 70. What are the direct so what are the directions? Choose the right answer. What are the directions from Denver to Aspen? Aspen is a very posh mountain resort where people go to ski. What are the directions? Go east on Highway 70 from Denver. If you're in Denver, go south on Highway 69 or go west on Highway 70. Let's check the answer. How do I get from Denver to Burlington? Go east on Highway 70. What are the directions from Denver to Aspen? Go west on Highway 70. As an aside, Burlington is really southeast of Denver, and Aspen is southwest of Denver. So now let's talk about nature. There are many different areas of nature. Here are some examples. Forests. A forest has lots of trees and shrubs and plants in it. A lake. A lake is a body of usually fresh water that is surrounded by land. A mountain. A mountain is a highly elevated or very tall part of the Earth's crust. A desert. A desert is barren. It does have some plants. The plants don't need much water because it doesn't rain much in the desert. Oceans. Oceans are those big, huge bodies of water, salt water, that are in between the various continents, and you can see them on a map. Where you see large bodies of water, those are most likely to be oceans. And then there's prairies. Prairies have a lot of grass, have plants, have shrubs and vegetation, but they don't have many trees, and they're very good for farming. Let's talk a little bit about the city. Cities have hotels, libraries, restaurants, government like City Hall. They have parks and recreation areas, and they have lots of buildings. Buildings that people live in, and also buildings that people work in. So let's do a class recap. Greeting people. Try to introduce yourself. Hello, my name is. Express your emotion. How do you feel? I feel. Okay. Ask for directions. Excuse me, do you know how to get to? And how to give directions. Turn right and go east. Nature and city vocabulary. Practice making sentence and asking for directions. Describe your favorite places in nature and in the city. That's all for today. Hope you have a great day and looking forward to meeting next time.